Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going through you taking down these dirty, dusty, crusty, musty, did I say dusty? Braids that I've had in my hair for about a month now. Probably a little bit before that. But yeah, they're definitely time to take them down. I'm looking real Whoopi Goldberg-esque with these braids on. It's time to take them down. See, this is what I can't stand that we do when we get braids. We be like, ooh, let me cut down there because my hair too long. My hair not that long. So we're gonna do right here. My hair probably right here, so just take that chance. It's not even a chance. It's like, I don't know why I did this. Barely cut anything off when you know your hair is not that long yet. Okay. So look, if y'all don't already watch DMTV, like the mama on DMTV is too funny. Like, you definitely need to watch her if you're having a bad day, if you're feeling like any emotion and you need to laugh. When you need to laugh, you need to turn on their pranks and their videos. Like, okay, this is nothing hair related, but literally, I started watching them when I was like at work and I hated my job. When I was doing security, I used to watch them. I used to be getting weak. Used to just be so happy. Like, so whenever I started feeling like, even like at home, like feeling sad or anxious, I watch me pranks. I watch me straight pranks. Hey guys, so I have the back taken down and now just taking down this front section and I'm gonna cut it. Don't know where I should cut it at. Y'all know we don't never know. Like, girls, we be overhyping where our hair stops at. So I'm gonna just say this is for sure where my hair is. So I'm gonna say right here. Okay, so we're just gonna see how long they hurry right here. I always take it down like this. This make it go faster. When you unbraid it and then unravel it, it takes down like half the braid. I don't know, I feel like I've been watching these videos. I watched 2 videos and each of them was like 15 minutes, so 15 to 20 minutes. So kind of taking these down fast in my opinion. Okay, and then when I like take it down, I always try to pull it apart and take off that extra dirt and stuff, because when you wait to the end and take it down, you take out more hair. And then I like make sure that dust ball isn't, like when you comb out this dust ball, that really does make your hair come out a lot more. Breakage. Okay, I definitely overhyped it. It's going like burly. I definitely overhyped it, see. I'm like, it's definitely right here. It's definitely not. Like when I stretch it all the way, yeah. It might be a little burly touching my collarbone, burly. But yeah, let me take all this down, child. What time is it? It's 1:03, so I'm gonna be going to sleep in the next 30 minutes and I'm gonna have to reconvene this in the morning because I don't want to mess up my sleep pattern for work. Okay, I'm doing very extra. Okay, yeah. Whoa. But yeah, you can get one of these like head wraps for your hair at Target. I believe it was probably like $5-10. I'm gonna just use this Not On My Watch Instant Detangler from Aunt Jessie's. I'm about to use this on my hair to apply generously before I section it out and get to the detangling stage of the routine. So recently from Walmart, I just picked up a new blow dryer because with having natural hair, it's imperative that your hair is like, you're not trying to spend all day washing your hair. Like, one of the main reasons I never used to wash my hair is because I never had a good wash routine. I didn't know what I was doing. My hair was too tangled up after washing it. Like, it took me like 2 days to detangle my hair, sorry. So I had to just get this blow dryer, and it was like probably between 20 and 30 bucks, not bad. It comes with combs and different things like that. So I've seen these before. I'm gonna just use this and see how it goes, see if I need to get a different one. I probably will keep this one and get the one with the brush. So yeah, let me open this up. That girl got 2 big ponytails. Don't play with her because she not one of them. And that's on people.